Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to restore SMS icon to home screen on your NUBIA Air. So basically, if you had an SMS or messages icon right here on your home screen and by accident you deleted it, I'll show you how to simply restore it to your home screen. So don't worry, you haven't deleted from your phone, from your device. It's basically just in your app drawer right here. So click and hold your app and drag it right here to your home screen. So as you can see right now, it's on the home screen with all other options and apps. So basically that's it. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.